Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from eBay. This is going to be an easy and quick tutorial. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Now let's get started right now. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your eBay store. Okay, that's the first step. After that, you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and then you want to click on selling. Okay, so it will take you guys to this page. If you don't have if you are not using Seller Hub, you just need to open a new tab and search for eBay Seller Hub. In case this looks different from this, as you can see, you just need to search here for eBay Seller Hub. Click on the first result and it will take you guys directly to eBay Seller Hub. Now after you are on this page, then you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and then you want to click on selling. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. You want to click on my eBay, click on selling, and after that you want to click on payments. Okay, so after, guys, you click on payments. Okay, here you want to click on payments, scroll down. Okay, after, guys, like I said, click on payments, scroll down, and here you can find here payout schedule. Now if you have set it for daily, you just need to click on manage here next to payout schedule, and you can set this monthly or every other Tuesday, or monthly if you want, or weekly. Now I like to set this I like to receive payments every single day, so you can just see which one works for you best. Now I like to set it daily. After that, after you set it daily, you want to then click on save. Now every single day you will receive payments to your bank account or Payoneer account, depending if you live outside of the United States. You will be able to receive money to your Payoneer. Now people that live in the United States, they will be able, I guess, to add their bank details there, like bank account. You can do that, guys, by clicking on my eBay in the top right. You can also add Payoneer account if you want, in case you live outside of the United States. You want to click on my eBay in the top, and then you want to click on selling. Okay, so after, guys, you click on selling, after you are on this page, then what you guys need to do next, you want to click again on my eBay in the top right, click on summary. You want to click on account. Okay, and then you want to click on payments. Okay, so after, guys, you click on payments, it's going to ask you guys to add here like your password. Just add your password, and that's it. Click on, just if they ask you guys, I'm a human, of course I am a human, I'm not really, I'm not an animal. So I'm going to okay, so I'm going to click here. It says that this account is password incorrect. Okay, so I'm going to try to add the password. Seems like this password is not correct, so I'm going to try to. Okay, so after, guys, you are on this page, then what you guys need to do next, it seems like there is a problem here. Okay, so after you click on account, as you can see, and payments, it will take you guys to this page. Now as you can see, I have added Payoneer to receive payments. As you can see, Payoneer ID, this is my Payoneer ID used for payouts. As you can see, you can add another payment method so that you can use it for payouts. You can click on add cards and accounts. And if you live, for example, in the United States, I guess you will be able to add your bank details like routing number and account number. Just click on payouts and click on continue. And after that, you will ask you, for me, I only have one option for payout, which is Payoneer account, because I live outside of the United States. Currently I live in Africa. So if you live, for example, in the United States, probably you will have like a bank account option here. You want to click on it, and you want to add your account number and then the routing number, and then click on continue, and that's it. And now every day you will be able to receive payments to that bank account. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can add the bank account to your own like eBay. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.